Hello guys, welcome to NK's videogram. So now we will talk that how much rupees and how much charges you will have to pay to get BIS license. Okay. Uh, First of all, the charges varies with the IS standard, but some of these charges are fixed, some of varies on dependent on your IS number. Okay, so let us see which charges you will have to pay to government for the granting of BIS license. Okay guys, these are the list of charges that we have to pay to the government for the BIS license. This is BIS application fees for around 1000 rupees. After that, if you are in normal procedure, the charges for the visit of BIS officer is going to come into your premises. That will cost you around 7000. Minimum marking fee for 1 year. Okay, that marking fee I am showing you right now how we decide that how much marking fee we will have to pay. 1 year license fee is around 1000 rupees. Testing charge fee for 1 year is as per the laboratory you choose when you take the license in process. Okay, these are the government charges. Now if you hire any agency, that agency will how much charge, that will be extra. The allowances you give to the agency member will be extra, and some of the other charges also will be you have to pay when officer visits to your premises, as you understand which charges. Okay, I have given you the quotation. I have taken the three companies quotation for my IS 617 aluminum license. See that the first party has given this type of quotation for IS 617. Okay, he has given the sample chip testing charge very high. Okay, right now let's check. This is the second quotation. As per the second quotation, the second company has given me these charges. Application 1000 rupees, BIS inspection 7000, testing charges is 12000. Okay, 38 is marking fees, GST will be extra. This is another company has given me the quotation. Okay, see, application fee 1000 rupees, government fees 1000 rupees. Okay, annual marking fee 37000, government license fee 1000, testing charges he has given me 20000 rupees. So guys, after seeing the quotation by different three firms, you can understand there are very much changes in the charges given by different companies. So how to check the charges are correct or not? Two main charges are first is the marking fee charge, and second is the testing charge. How to see what is the testing charges and what is the marking fee? Let us see. Okay guys, so we will see how to check the charges. First of all, you have to read BIS marking fees on Google. On the first of the page you will see that Bureau of Indian Standard fee. Okay, in that tab the first link you will get search marking fee for Indian Standard. Okay, here you will see the tab for marking fee. Now you have to just write down your IS number for the marking fee. Okay, sorry, so IS 617. Okay, my IS is 617. I have written IS 617. Just write down generate report. Okay, so different scale has a different charges. You can see 37,000 for micro scale, 37 for small scale, 37 for medium scale. Okay, minimum marking fee will be large scale for 46,000. Okay, this is around you can see that 42.6 per ton. If the company is making around 100,000 ton, then 42.6 into 100, so that will be around 42,600. Okay, now I am showing the different standard also. You suppose your IS 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 1660. Okay, that is 1660. This standard is for okay, let's see, A4 and WWM. Okay, see, this is 1 ton charges. You can see 17.3 per unit. It is for aluminum utensils. Okay, 38,000, 38,000, 38,000 and 47,000. Okay, it is per 1 ton you have to give. If you are in micro scale, that will be cost you around 38,000. Okay, so this is how you can check the charges. Now the all three companies has given me different charges for lab testing. Now see, on Google you have to write down lab testing charges for BIS sample. You can see that second option will come, test facility and test charges. Okay, you have to click on that link. Now on the third tab you will get IS wise test facility in BIS lab and recognized lab. Okay, so this will be our IS 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 617. Okay, we have written IS 617. Now you can see that these are the list of laboratories and their charges. Okay, I prefer that you choose government, not government laboratory and private laboratory. Otherwise it's upon you. The testing charges are this for standard laboratory. Okay, this is 12,000, 16,800. Alpha test house is charging 17,000, 14900. That will be different have different charges. I have taken the test on ADME lab. That will costed me to 14,900. Okay, so you can check any of the standards testing charges by this method. Okay, just in third tab you have to write. Thank you. Okay guys, that is the video for the BIS license charges. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. For more information you can you have to subscribe, that you can get more information regarding the BIS I am providing. Thank you very much.